Bingo Cash tournaments and withdrawals are only available in supported regions. So seeing the wrong currency can be a region or account setting issue, rather than a simple display problem. By the end, you'll know what to check when Bingo Cash shows the wrong currency, and which settings you should verify before contacting support. First, check the country or region associated with your App Store or Google Play account. Your store region can affect which version of an app and which features are available on your device. If you're using an iPhone, open Settings AI, tap your Apple account, then Media and Purchases, and check your account's country or region. On Android, check your Google Play country settings. Don't change your store region just to force Bingo Cash to display a different currency. Changing the region can affect app availability, subscriptions, payment methods, and other purchases. Next, check your actual location. Bingo Cash says, cash tournaments are available only in supported areas, and availability can vary by location. If you're physically in a supported region but Bingo Cash still displays an unexpected currency, completely close the app and reopen it. This forces the app to reload information connected to your account and current location. If the currency remains incorrect, check for a Bingo Cash update in the App Store or Google Play. Bingo Cash recommends keeping the app updated because updates can include improvements and new features. Install any available update, reopen the app, and check the balance or cash out screen again. Your account is another important check. Make sure you're signed into the same Bingo Cash account you normally use. Go to Account and select Sign in under Existing User if necessary. Bingo Cash's existing user login uses the phone number registered to your account and an SMS verification code. Signing into a different account can make your balance, available games, or other information look different. Don't create another account to try to change the displayed currency. Use your original account and resolve the region or account issue there. If the currency is still wrong after confirming your store region, physical location, account, and app version, take a screenshot of the currency display. Then contact Bingo Cash support and explain which currency you expected, which currency the app is showing, your current location, and the account you're using. Avoid guessing or manually converting the displayed amount when you're dealing with a cash balance or withdrawal. Confirm the currency with Bingo Cash before making a financial decision. So the practical fix is to check your store region, confirm your actual location, verify the correct Bingo Cash account, update the app, and contact support if the currency remains incorrect. Your next step is to check your App Store or Google Play country before changing anything inside Bingo Cash. If this fixed your Bingo Cash currency problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.